actually been attending the SNE workshops for the last 5 years and have been part of several of those throughout that time. It's really exciting that these digital resources that are part of our assessment system, it's what will make the difference.
You feel like you're actually impacting education in a bigger way because this is something that goes out all across the country. It has potential to change many, many lives in a positive way.
I am learning and growing while I'm here, and I also feel like I'm doing valuable work that will help other educators who aren't here, specifically the teachers that I work with at my school.
You know, this experience gives me the opportunity to meet educators from around the country. I've forged some really great friendships of people that I can reach out to in other districts and other states and say, hey, what are you guys doing and how are you handling this? And the same goes for them, that they can reach out to me.